we live in a society where we're being conditioned that we are flawed as a species, that we need something outside of us to be healthy in our bodies and to be successful in life.
It's a great
We
way to
are
drive
being,
consumerism.
well, it is.
Yeah.
And technology is being touted as the savior and the replacement of biology with technology. So I'll make a distinction. There are different levels of this. You know, if we use contact lenses, that's an external technology that helps us in the world, and I think that's fine. We begin replacing skin and organs and tissues and neurons with artificial intelligence on computer chips embedded into the tissue. That's a whole different story.